Hello everyone, welcome to Jano TV. Which of the following is a critical endangered species in India? Bengal tiger, Indian rhino, Great Indian bustard, Asiatic lion. Answer C. Great Indian bustard. Which national park is known for its population of one-horned rhinoceroses? Gir National Park, Kaziranga National Park, Ranthambore National Park, Sundarban's National Park. Answer B. Kaziranga National Park. Which of the following is a biodiversity hotspot in India? Western Ghats, Thara Desert, Deccan Plateau, Indo-Gangetic Plain. Answer A. Western Ghats. What is the main cause of acid rain? Ozone, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen. Answer C. Sulfur dioxide. The Chipko movement is associated with which of the following? Wildlife conservation, forest conservation, soil conservation, water conservation. Answer B. Forest conservation. Which river is known as the Saro of Bihar and Kod? Ganga, Kausi, Brahmaputra, Yamuna. Answer B. Kausi. Which mountain range forms the northern boundary of India? Aravalli, Himalayas, Vindhyas, Western Ghats. Answer B. Himalayas. Which is the longest river in India? Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari, Brahmaputra. Answer A. Ganga. The largest delta in the world is located in which country? India, Bangladesh, China, Brazil. Answer B. Bangladesh. Which Indian state is the largest producer of tea? Assam, West Bengal, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Answer A. Assam. Who was the founder of the Maurya Empire? Ashoka, Chandragupta Maurya, Bindusara, Harshavardhana. Answer B. Chandragupta Maurya. In which year did the Battle of Plassey take place? 1757, 1857, 1776, 1761. Answer A. 1757. Who wrote the Indian national anthem? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Rabindranath Tagore, Sarojini Naidu, Subramanyaya Bharati. Answer B. Rabindranath Tagore. Which Mughal empire built the Taj Mahal? Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb. Answer C. Shah Jahan. The famous iron pillar at Mehrauli in Delhi is believed to be built by which king? Ashoka, Chandragupta II, Harshavardhana, Samudragupta. Answer B. Chandragupta II. What is the primary function of the Reserve Bank of India? Issuing currency, collecting taxes, granting loans to the public, regulating the stock market. Answer A. Issuing currency. Which of the following is a renewable source of energy? Coal, petroleum, solar energy, natural gas. Answer C. Solar energy. Which of the following is the main contributor to greenhouse gases? Carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, argon. Answer A. Carbon dioxide. Which tree is considered sacred in India and is often associated with Lord Buddha? Peepal, neem, banyan, sal. Answer A. Peepal. Which of the following is a primary source of water pollution in rivers? Industrial waste, plastic waste, radioactive waste, thermal pollution. Answer A. Industrial waste. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to do subscribe, like to our channel.